Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005 is about 20 years old now and kind of looks like this when you run it on PC, but you can make it look like this with a widescreen patch. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The video is cut up into different sections. We'll start with part 1, installing the game. So in the description I've got 2 links. There's the archive.org one. On the right side you should see these download options. The ISO image is the installer for the game. Go ahead and download that. It'll take a little while. Once it's done, right click Open with File Explorer. That'll mount the ISO. Then you'll be able to open the autorun.exe. Once that's open, hit install. You'll have to enter your CD key from the manual or the back of the case. I can't provide you with one of those. Continue through the installer, click yes. Install it wherever you want. The default is probably fine. This screen is really loud. Hit register later and then never register. Wait for the game to finish installing. Once it's done, make sure you hit quit and not launch because it's not quite ready yet. Part 2, installing patch 1.3. If you go back to the archive.org link, click on Windows Executables and then download patch version 1.3.exe. Should work pretty quick. Open that wherever. This will open and it's done. It's very easy. At the moment, if you try and run the game, it'll give you an error saying there's no CD. So you have to download this speed.exe from the Windows Executable section. Once that's finished, navigate to where you installed Most Wanted. You can do it from the shortcut, open file location, or go to C, Program Files, x86, EA Games, Need for Speed Most Wanted, or wherever it is that you installed the game. Now take that speed.exe you just downloaded and put it in that folder. You'll probably have to copy it because I think dragging it just creates like a link. Replace the file in destination, confirm, and there you go, it's patched. The game will work now, but it won't run in widescreen or in high res, and X input devices won't work yet. So we have to install 13AG's Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005 widescreen fix. Scroll down on that page and click on the .zip file, the top one. Make sure you don't download the source code. Once that's done, open that up and copy both files, the scripts folder and the dinput8.dll, and paste them into your Most Wanted install directory. Once that's done, you'll want to go into the scripts folder and open up Need for Speed Most Wanted.widescreenfix.ini with whatever text editor you have. Notepad should work fine. There's a lot of options here and it might be kind of daunting, but the main thing is your resolution. So I want 1080p, so I'll do 1920 up here and 1080 down here. There's some other settings in here that you can read through if you want. Now we've got the miscellaneous section. Down here I'd recommend turning on skip intro, so you don't have to watch the intro every time. Improve gamepad support changes how the icons look in the game. If you want them to look like Xbox icons, changes to 1, PlayStation icons, change it to 2. The last section is graphics. Most of this is pretty good on its own. You can tweak it and see what looks good on your system. I like to disable motion blur, but if you like that effect, keep it as is. That's all you have to do here. Save this .ini to your desktop because it probably won't let you save it directly into that folder, and then drag it straight in, replace the old one, and your settings should be changed. You're basically done now. You can boot the game. Once you're in there, go into your video settings and turn up level of detail all the way. Your computer should probably handle it totally fine. And now the game looks pretty good.